Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get the Lana shirt for your outfits in Berry Avenue. So if you're looking for the Lana shirt to complete your stylish outfit in Berry Avenue, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find and wear this trendy top to level up your fashion game. So what you need to do first is just head to Avatar menu, and here you can remove the shirt that you are currently using. Okay, and now just search for Lana in the search bar at the top. So you can just go with the classic shirt. Okay, so when you do that, there will be lots of Lana shirt options that you can choose. You can just choose the one you preferred. Okay, let's find another one in here. Okay, I think I'm going to just go with the previous one. This one's right here. Tap on done, and you can combine it with other fashion item that you want. So here I'm combining it with a skirt, a black skirt. So this is the Lana shirt for your outfit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.